Hey, YouTube investors, traders, observers. So I made a video about Alibaba and I was looking at levels, entry levels, to maybe catch the bounce. But I think it's significant that it's down over 18% in the Chinese market. Okay, so if you look at the screen, this is a delayed quote on a Market Watch page. But if you look here, where is it? Hong Kong, right? So I think that's significant. I think it's a risky, I mentioned in the video that it's a risky trade, both long and short. So be careful. I felt like somebody should mention the Chinese market. It is a Chinese stock, and I guess they're shorting it over there. So that's my take. Just thought it would be a good idea to make a quick video warning people. If you don't know what you're doing, you know, just jumping in with a stop loss, it's a crapshoot. It really is. It's going to be a crapshoot if you do that. You might make out. I'm really anxious to see what. There's a day trader I watch. I'm not going to mention his name, but I think he's probably going to short it. But we'll see. They may leave it alone. I'm kind of looking at levels right now on the charts. I don't want to suggest any level that it's going to go down to. There is a man named Andrew Chu, I think his name is. I wish I had the spelling for you, but this is a quick video. It's very early in the morning, long before the market opens. If you're okay to sit through class without dozing off, you can learn a lot by his channel. And he went through all the fundamentals of Alibaba. It's a really good company. There's something to be said about futures and what institutions are doing before market opens. And you'll notice, if you look into Alibaba, they have a cloud. They have a lot of. It's a massive company. It really is. And but yet on our market, they're going down, and Microsoft is going up. So the big money guys are sort of betting that Baba is going to be sort of short-circuited for a while, if I could use that. And maybe their cloud is not going to expand so quickly. And Microsoft is worldwide. There's a lot of things to think about if you're going to get involved in this trade. So I would pay attention. I will tell you, at first, when I looked at Andrew Chu's, I think that's his name. He's very well known. If you just punch in Alibaba on YouTube, you'll see two videos that he made recently going totally through the fundamentals. And I think he suggested there is a possibility that it goes down to, like, say, 175, only because of levels and entries. He's invested in the stock at a very low level, maybe like 90 bucks. I don't know when he got in. He's an investor, but he's a good teacher. He has a strong Chinese accent, so you have to learn to hear his form of teaching. But he went through the whole scenario, and I really appreciated Alibaba more in depth. And I think he suggested there's a possibility that we might be able to catch Alibaba at around 175. That it's not unreasonable to think so. But the way our market's going, our futures, I looked at our futures and I was a little excited when I looked at my own portfolio that there's a chance the market might spike. I look at what I'm going to do by 10:30. Am I going to get out of positions? And I don't like to add then. And then when the market sort of curves down around lunchtime, sometime there's a trade available. Of course, I don't have that big of an account. And, well, thanks for watching. This warning, Alibaba, be careful. Look at this Chinese. This is a delayed quote here, but I've been watching it since last night. That's why I got up early, because my brain, I guess, keeps going. And when I saw that it didn't bounce over there, I kind of wonder, is it going to bounce here? I would doubt it myself, but then again, I'm not an expert and I don't give financial advice. I just express my opinion. God bless. Happy New Year. Happy trading today if you're trading.